XTEND Keto Energy combines BCAAs, BHB salts, and a caffeine blend that help with muscle repair, recovery, ketogenic support, and also energy. These are three critical pillars because if you're in a keto diet or about to start a keto diet, you've probably heard of that dreaded keto flu. You feel down on energy, mentally fatigued, physically fatigued, your body's switching from fats to carbs. You need a lifeline? Well, we've got you covered. The BHB salts in here can actually reduce the amount of time needed to get into ketosis, which if you're jumping onto keto for the first time can really be a lifesaver. We've got you covered with muscle repair and recovery with the BCAAs and 125 milligrams of standard and delayed release caffeine, so we're gonna get you that smooth energy experience. As you'd expect from XTEND, it's gotta taste good, right? Well, we've got you covered not only with incredible flavor, but it's naturally sweetened. So if you need to keep your energy up, you wanna get into ketosis or support that ketogenic lifestyle, make sure you grab XTEND Keto Energy.